If you want to play Forza Horizon 6 without an Xbox or a gaming PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get into the game using cloud gaming, so you can play on devices like a Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablet, or even a regular PC without having to install a massive game locally. This is a super useful method if you don't own an Xbox console, or if your computer isn't powerful enough to run the game smoothly. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when more helpful guides go live. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is purchase Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This is the subscription that gives you access to cloud gaming, which is the key to playing Forza Horizon 6 without a console. Once you have Game Pass Ultimate, you're essentially unlocking Microsoft's cloud gaming library, which means the game runs on Microsoft's servers and streams directly to your device. That's why you don't need an Xbox console or an expensive PC setup. Next, install the Xbox app on the device you want to use. If you're on Windows, you can install it directly on your PC. If you're using a Mac, you'll usually access cloud gaming through a supported browser experience, while on iPhone, iPad, or Android, the Xbox app gives you a convenient way to get started and manage access. After installing or opening the Xbox app, sign in with the same Microsoft account that has your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This is important because cloud gaming only works when you're logged into the account that actually has the active membership. Once you're signed in, look for the cloud gaming section inside the app or supported browser. This is where Microsoft lets you stream games instantly without downloading the full game file. When you get to cloud gaming, search for Forza Horizon 6 in the game library. If it's available in your region and included with your subscription, you should see it listed there. Select the game and then click or tap Launch. At that point, the game begins running in the cloud and streams to your device. You may be prompted to connect a controller, and for games like Forza Horizon 6, that's usually the best way to play. You can use an Xbox controller or another compatible controller depending on your device. Once the game loads, you're ready to start driving, exploring, and enjoying the full experience without needing an Xbox console or a dedicated gaming PC. The biggest advantage here is convenience. You can move between devices, play from almost anywhere, and avoid long downloads or expensive hardware upgrades. Just remember that a strong and stable internet connection is very important for the best cloud gaming experience. If your connection is slow or unstable, you may notice lag, lower image quality, or delays in gameplay. So for the smoothest experience, try to use a fast Wi-Fi connection or a strong wired setup where possible. And that's it. Now, you know how to play Forza Horizon 6 without an Xbox or PC using cloud gaming. It's really just a simple process. Get Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, install the Xbox app, open cloud gaming, and launch the game. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more easy gaming and tech guides.